How to fix WhatsApp not sending photos or videos. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. See if that helps, and if not, then you can simply open your preferred browser and now in the search bar, search for WhatsApp server status and make sure that the server status for WhatsApp is not down, as if the server is down, then you might be facing these kind of problem in the app. So if the server is actually down, you can wait a few minutes and then try sending the photo or video again. See if that helps, and if not, then open WhatsApp and then go ahead and swipe up on your screen and you will be led to the app switcher. Here, go ahead and quit WhatsApp along with all the apps running in the background, and then reopen WhatsApp and then try sending the media again, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, then open settings again and scroll down and tap on the apps option you see there. Further, scroll down again and then tap on the WhatsApp option, and here go ahead and tap on photos and make sure it is selected to full access, and limited access or none option is not selected. See if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Further, go ahead and scroll down and navigate to WhatsApp and make sure to tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as this will help you in freeing up storage used by the app. Also, make sure that you have enough storage space in your iPhone, and if not, then simply delete unused apps or large files and then try sending the photo or video again, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, then you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. Additionally, open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp and make sure that the WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the WhatsApp application for the app to run smoothly. Additionally, open settings again and then tap on general again and then on software update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app for your app to run on full-fledged. And just in case if your issue is not fixed yet, then the last resort is tap hold on the WhatsApp application on your home screen and then tap on the remove app option and then tap on delete app. Completely delete the WhatsApp application from your device and then reinstall it from your app store, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix WhatsApp not sending photos or videos. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.